everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another nail DIY video. I've been loving doing my own nails lately. I am not a professional. I did not go to a nail technician school, so this is all just, you know, me just trying to teach myself some things so I can save some coins, so I can teach you guys some things so you can save some coins. I would not recommend popping your old nails off with a Metro card, but I wouldn't be lying if I said I've been to the nail salon in New York City before and they've literally done this and then charged me $5 for it. Like, I wanted to fight the lady, but I didn't because no. But anyway, I'm just cutting down this old set, cut off the nails, popped them off, pushed back my cuticles. I'm prepping my nails for this new set that I'm about to do with gel. I'm really excited because the last set I did was with acrylic. Stunk up my whole house. The monomer was really strong, a lot to inhale, didn't really like that. So I was like, this time around I want to do gel. So I'm just going in with a cuticle cutter and I'm just cutting my cuticles, like the dead skin off, you know, making them look nice and neat and clean. I told you guys this is very important if you want your nails to look really nice, like salon did nails. You want to make sure you clean up those cuticles. Then I'm just going in with a little buffer and I'm just buffing my nails so they're nice and smooth. And then I'm going in with these clear tips. Every single item that I'm using in this tutorial today is all from Amazon. I purchased everything off of Amazon, so I will have it all linked down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and get yourselves the same items. But I'm just using some nail glue and I'm just sticking those clear tips on. They are a coffin shape and I'm just applying them to each nail. This nail glue I got from Sally Beauty. This is the only item that I didn't get from Amazon. I love this nail glue. It's super long wearing and my nails literally never lift with this nail glue. I never have an issue. So I wanted to make sure I showed you guys everything this time around because I feel like my nail tutorials are typically kind of fast. So I just wanted to slow it down because this one I feel like is a little bit more complicated. Then I'm going in with a nail file. I feel like the type of nail file that you use is really important when shaping your nails. I like the ones that have a really straight edge. They're usually rectangular, or this one is has a funky shape because one side is rounded, which I really liked, and then the other side is super square and sharp, so it allows me to create really sharp edges with the nails. So I'm just going ahead and I'm shaping the tips into the shape that I want. Obviously I'm going for a very narrow kind of coffin shape, so the nails are already in a coffin shape but they're kind of wide naturally, so I'm just making them a bit more narrow and sharpening up those sides and the top edge. And I like to take my time with shaping because I do want the shape to be perfect. I'm kind of anal about that. So then you see me going with another nail file. This one's a bit of a softer grit. It's not as strong as the other one. And I'm just buffing off the kind of the top layer of the tip, but I'm also trying to blend it into my nail so that there's no kind of bump there with the tip being glued to my nail. I felt like this was really important for making your nail and the tip look seamless, and I just really focused on the tip. I wasn't buffing my natural nail too much because I don't want to make it super thin. So that's what that looked like. And then I'm taking a lint-free wipe and I'm just dusting off the nail dust that's formed all over my fingernail. And then I'm going with a dehydrator. This is from Gelish, and you just want to make sure to apply a very small amount of this only to the center of your nail. You don't want to take this all the way up to the cuticles because it will burn. You'll give yourself a little chemical burn. You'll feel it. It will not feel good. So make sure you're very sparing with this because you don't need a lot of it. Then I'm just showing you guys my gel machine, my UV gel lamp that I have, also from Amazon. Super good. And I'm going in with this Gelish foundation. This is just a clear foundation base that you should use under any gel product. I was kind of heavy-handed with this, so it stung a little bit when I put my hand under the UV lamp. So you want to make sure to do a really thin coat of this. Do not apply a lot of this because it will sting when you put it under the UV lamp. That's what that looks like. And then I'm going to stick it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like fresh out of the UV lamp. And then I'm going ahead and taking another lint-free wipe, and I'm just cleaning off the sticky layer of the nails, because after you cure it, there is going to be a sticky layer. So I just took a little bit of alcohol and I rubbed that off. Then I'm going in with my clear hard gel from, I don't remember the brand, I think it's In Vogue, and I'm just gonna start forming my nails. So this, I don't really know how to describe what you should be doing. The first thing I'm doing is just creating that like base layer. So for all of the nails, I'm gonna do one layer of the clear, and then I'm gonna go in with a layer of the pink gel, the hard gel, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer of the clear. So this is the clear just like as a base, just to give me a nail shape, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink on top for the actual color. This was easier the second time around than it was the first. It's very like, the viscosity of it is very like drippy and just kind of liquidy, so I felt like it was pretty easy for me to just kind of paint it on. You see me going in circular motions, like from the top of the nail where the nail bed is all the way down to the tip of the nail, kind of just like dragging it down the sides all the way to the tip and just like filling that in. I have to say, this probably is my favorite method or medium for like doing nails out of like all of the different mediums that I've used on my channel, like polygel, the dip powder. I've done acrylic, but I don't think I've showed you guys. This has to be my favorite though. I just felt like it was super clean looking and it was a lot less work, and I felt like it was easier to maneuver and kind of manage after figuring out like a certain technique when doing my nails. And then I cured for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with the pink hard gel. This one is still very like kind of loose and goopy and drippy. I don't know what the specific term is for it, but this one was a little bit less drippy than the clear. So it was a little bit stiffer to move around, but it was still like I could manage it. This one, I wouldn't say be too specific in how smooth it looks, because you are going to go in with a layer of the clear on top anyway. If you want as well, you can also do 2 layers of the hard gel. I only did 1. I would say to do 2 though. I feel like doing 2 would be better, because if there's any kind of like gaps in it, then you wouldn't be able to tell. As you guys can see, like the pinky isn't perfect. It looks kind of lumpy and bumpy, but like I said, you're gonna go in with the clear on top anyway, and it's gonna fill in all those lumps and bumps. You're really not gonna be able to tell. Just focus on filling in the nail with the pink hard gel. This is like hella therapeutic, like watching it back and doing this voiceover for you guys. I'm like, wow, this is like really nice to watch. That's why I made sure to put in like a lot of footage of me like actually doing the nail, because I feel like I typically kind of speed through this. But yeah, if you guys want to see more nail videos from me, like please let me know. I really I've always loved doing nails. I've always done my own nails for a really long time. I do go to get my nails done like all the time, but I have been doing my own nails since I was like maybe like 8 years old. Like I've always just like sat down and tried to do my own nails like some way, like whether I gave myself a manicure, a pedicure, or something. So it's definitely another passion of mine. And you guys have seen it on my channel before. So if you guys want more nail videos, please let me know, and I would be happy to do those for you. You can also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. I know I am, so make sure you smash that like button down below. You can also leave me a comment. I love writing back to you guys. And then I cured that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with the clear back on top, okay? I was kind of generous with this because I knew I wanted a nice apex for my nail. Like, I wanted the thickness of the nail to be there, but I also wanted it to be supported by a nice apex. So I was really focusing the clear at the top where the cuticles are and the nail bed, and then kind of dragging the remaining of the clear down the nail. At this point, I was just like, okay, I know what method works for me. So it's kind of like placing like a little ball of it up at the top, and then in circular motions kind of swirling it and dragging it down to the tip of the nail, like, really worked. And with the clear too, because it's like a little bit more liquidy and it kind of just moves around easier and better than the pink, I just felt like it was perfect for filling in those like little lumps and bumps I had. Look at that in slow motion, baby. That looks like, it looks fun. I want to do it again. Again, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a professional at this. No one has taught me how to do this. I've just learned based off of YouTube videos, but also just practicing on myself. I've done my nails so many times that like I kind of just learned from my mistakes, and now I feel like comfortable enough to do it on camera for you guys, but definitely not a professional. And then after curing for 60 seconds, I'm ready to go in and start shaping my nails because they got to the thickness that I want them to be at. This is my favorite part of doing my nails. I love shaping my nails. I'm sorry I was a little bit out of frame at first, but I eventually got the hang of it. This nail file, super bomb. I didn't end up using my e-file. I have one of those electronic buffers, like the e-files, to do all of this, but I actually just really love shaping my nails with like a nail file. I feel like it gives me so much more precision and I have so much more control over it. This is what the thumb was looking like. I was super pleased. It was also a lot easier to clean up and buff the gel for some reason compared to like any other nail medium that I've used before. Like the acrylic I felt like was way harder. This gel was like super easy to buff and just like sand down. I really enjoyed shaping my nails. I was going for really nice sharp clean edges, a nice flat top. This is 2 fingers buffed compared to like 2 that were untouched, and I was going in. Then going in with like the buffer and like the smoother, I'm just buffing the top layer of the nail just to make sure that there's no lumps and bumps, making everything nice and smooth. This is kind of like the finishing touch when you're done with shaping, the overall shaping of the nail. You want to go on with this little spongy buffer and just buff everything. These are what my nails are looking like. They look hella good, like shape on 100, shape on 10, baby girl, okay? I did that and then some. Then I'm going in with a clear gel top coat, and I'm just doing a single layer of this, and then I'm sticking on these little rhinestones that I found off of, I think I got these on AliExpress. If I can find the link to them, I will place it in the description box below. But I'm just placing a singular little rhinestone at the top of the cuticle, right in the center on each nail, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. Then taking a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, I'm just cleaning off that top sticky layer and just making sure my nails are nice and shiny and they're popping, which they are. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this cuticle oil, which is also from Gelish. Like, this was a whole gel kit from Gelish, and I really just love every single item that came in it. And that's what my nails look like, all finished and done. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a huge thumbs up down below. Make sure you smash that like button. You could also go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the fam. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe and you let your girl know that you want to see more videos like this in the comments section down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you are smart, you are beautiful, and people love you. And I can't wait to see you at my next upload. Bye.